God, look at. Tomorrow we're gonna have another snowstorm Friday. And these people haven't still cleaned the parking lot. What is wrong with this Cumberland people, Joe? As you see, we are having a badass snowstorm. God. I'm visiting my friend. I'm in my friend's house, so yeah. Look. That's a lot of snow. Look at that. Oh my God. And look. Oh, that's where my mom used to live at. It's empty, that apartment. Come on, people. Oh, yeah, now they're doing it. They're cleaning the snow. Good. You better clean the freaking streets, man. It's too much snow. Oh my God, look at how deep is the snow. Oh my God. The mundo se está acabando. Jesus, stop the snow, please. You are powerful. You look. Even car passing by. Oh my God. Look down here. Oh, look at the snow right here. Oh. Too much snow. Look. Sorry, it's too close. Look, it's too much. A lot of snow. Oh my God. I'm about to fall on this. So I gotta get. I'm about to fall. Sorry, I know it's too close, but. Look at all that snow. Oh my God. Well, I guess they clean my porch. My neighbors. The porch. This is my friend's porch. They clean my friend. It's too much snow. Oh my God, it's snowing. Look at that. Wow, the clean. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye. I'm freezing. Bye.